doing? My name is Josue Diaz, and I'm here to talk about my public fire education topic. The topic that I chose is fire extinguishers. But before I go over fire extinguishers, I first need to go over the different type of fire classes. The reason for that is because different extinguishers extinguish different type of fires. So understanding the different fire classes will only help me pick the correct tool to use in an emergency situation. So the first class of fires that I would go over is Class A. Class A is your ordinary combustible materials such as wood, paper, cloth, rubber, and some type of plastics. Class B fires will be your flammable or combustible liquids such as oil, propane, gasoline. Class C fires will be your energized electrical equipment, and that's any equipment that delivers an electrical energy. And Class D fires will be your combustible metals such as magnesium, sodium, lithium, and potassium. And the final fire class would be the Class K fires, which are your combustible cooking oils and fats. So now that we went over your different types of fires, we're going to go over the different types of fire extinguishers. The first fire extinguisher that we're going to go over will be your pressurized water type fire extinguisher, and it will be this one right here. And this one is a stored pressure water type extinguisher, and it is used primarily for your Class A fires. It holds 2.5 gallons. It weighs about 30 pounds, and is specifically for your Class A fires. Your next fire extinguisher is your multi-purpose dry chemical extinguisher, and the dry chemical extinguisher is your the extinguishers that everybody seems to use nowadays. So this one is this one right here. And this multi-purpose dry chemical extinguisher is used for Class A, B, and C fires. The only downfall to the multi-purpose dry chemical extinguisher is that it produces corrosion and can damage electrical equipment such as computers. What else? Any type of electrical equipment. The next fire extinguisher I want to go over is your CO2 extinguisher, your carbon dioxide extinguisher, and this is just specifically for Class B and C fires. The downfall to these CO2 extinguishers is that they're really heavy. This one right here weighs about 46 pounds. The other downfall for this CO2 extinguisher is that it displaces oxygen. So if you're in a room where if you're confined to a small area, it dilutes the oxygen and causes the person to suffocate. So that's the downfall to this CO2 extinguisher. Also, when it comes out of this nozzle here, it comes out very cold, very, very cold. So you just got to wash your hand. Make sure you don't put your hand on it. And like I said, this CO2 extinguisher is good for Class B and C fires only. Now, the last fire extinguisher that I'm going to go over that we have here is your Class K extinguisher, your Class K extinguisher, and this one is good for your cooking oils and fats, and they primarily use this extinguisher for kitchen fires. And here it goes right here. Well, those are the extinguishers. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you very much.